Could artificial intelligence, the very creation of human intellect, be the architect of humanity's downfall? As we stride further into the 21st century, the role of artificial intelligence in our lives is growing at an unprecedented rate. From our smartphones to our cars, from our homes to our offices, AI is increasingly becoming an integral part of our daily existence. But with this swift integration comes a multitude of potential risks. It's not just science fiction authors who are sounding the alarm bells. Notable figures in the tech world, such as Elon Musk, have expressed significant concern about the unchecked growth of AI. Musk, a visionary entrepreneur and the brain behind ventures like Tesla and SpaceX, believes that AI, if not properly controlled, could pose a serious threat to humanity. To understand why Musk holds such a view, we must first delve into his journey with AI. This journey is not just about the technology itself, but about the intersection of AI and humanity. In the early days, Musk's views on AI were not as alarmist as they are today. Young Musk, a visionary entrepreneur, saw the potential of the digital world early on. His journey into the realm of artificial intelligence began with PayPal, the online payment system, where he got a first-hand look at how AI could streamline and simplify complex financial transactions. As he ventured further into the tech world, his engagement with AI deepened. His next big project, Tesla, would give him an even closer look at the capabilities of this technology. Here, he saw how AI could not only enhance our lives, but also lead the charge in innovation and progress. At Tesla, AI wasn't just a tool, it was a co-pilot, guiding self-driving cars, optimizing energy usage, and even predicting maintenance needs before they arose. But as the technology advanced, so did Musk's understanding of its implications. He began to see that AI was not just a tool, but a force of its own, capable of learning, evolving, and possibly even outpacing its human creators. And with this realization, his views began to shift. He saw the potential for AI to be far more than a co-pilot or a financial assistant. It could be a competitor, a usurper, or even a threat. As the technology grew more sophisticated, he began to question, what if AI became too smart, too independent? What if it no longer needed us, its creators? These questions marked a turning point in Musk's relationship with AI. It was no longer just about harnessing the technology for progress. It was about understanding and managing its potential risks. Musk's perspective began to change, leading him to voice concerns about the potential dangers of AI. The man who once embraced the technology with open arms now stands as one of its most vocal critics, warning us of the potential perils that lie ahead if we do not tread carefully, and as we will see, his warnings are not to be taken lightly. As AI technology advanced, Musk became increasingly vocal about its potential risks. This tech mogul, known for his futuristic visions, began to paint a picture that was less utopian and more dystopian. Elon Musk has often been quoted, warning the world of the dangers lurking within the realm of artificial intelligence. His most famous quote, perhaps, sent chills down our spines. He proclaimed, "Artificial intelligence could be humanity's biggest existential threat." A statement as bold as this cannot go unnoticed, especially when it comes from a man whose life's work is committed to pushing the boundaries of technology and human potential. But it wasn't just a one-off comment. Musk has repeatedly voiced his concerns, like an ominous refrain echoing through the halls of technology. He's called for regulations, urging world leaders and policymakers to keep a close eye on the rapid development of AI. He's warned us that if left unchecked, artificial intelligence has the potential to outsmart humans. A chilling thought, isn't it? To think that something we've created could surpass us, outwit us, and possibly even control us. Musk's warnings, however, did not go unchallenged. There were those who met his remarks with skepticism, others with outright dismissal. Critics argued that his fears were unfounded, that humanity is far from losing control over its creations. Yet there were also those who listened, who took his words to heart, and began to question the uncontrolled race towards technological advancement. Despite the backlash, Musk remained unyielding in his stance. He continues to advocate for ethical AI development and regulatory oversight, steadfast in his belief that we must tread carefully on this uncharted path. Musk's warnings were met with a mix of alarm and skepticism, but he remained unyielding in his stance. Whether you view him as a doomsayer or a visionary, his words serve as a reminder that in our pursuit of progress, we must not overlook the potential perils that come with it. Convinced of the potential threat AI posed, Musk took matters into his own hands. He didn't merely sit on the sidelines, shaking his head in despair. He rolled up his sleeves and charged headfirst into the complex realm of artificial intelligence. His aim? To ensure the safe and beneficial development of AI for humanity. One of his first steps was the creation of OpenAI. Musk co-founded this research lab in late 2015 with a clear and ambitious goal to ensure that artificial general intelligence, or AGI, benefits all of humanity. OpenAI operates on principles of broadly distributed benefits, long-term safety, technical leadership, and cooperative orientation. The idea is to create a form of AI that not only matches human intelligence, but also acts in the best interests of humanity. But Musk didn't stop there. He went a step further and co-founded Neuralink in 2016. Neuralink's mission is to enable humans to keep up with AI by merging with it. The company works on developing ultra-high bandwidth brain-machine interfaces. In simpler terms, they're designing ways for our brains to connect directly with computers. Musk believes this could be a way for humans to avoid becoming irrelevant in the face of increasingly sophisticated AI. These efforts reflect Musk's pragmatic approach to the AI conundrum. He sees a potential problem, understands its gravity, and takes proactive steps to address it. However, his attempts to control AI don't mean he's dismissed the risks. Quite the contrary. Musk continues to express his concerns about the uncontrolled development of AI. He stresses the need for regulations and oversight to prevent the worst-case scenarios from becoming a reality. He's been quoted saying, "AI is a fundamental existential risk for human civilization." Despite his efforts, Musk continues to warn of a future where AI could surpass human intelligence. His message is clear. The emergence of AI is inevitable, but its potential to harm or benefit humanity is something we can and must control. Musk's view of the future is one where humans must adapt or face potential extinction. Such a statement might sound dramatic, but Musk's concerns about artificial intelligence are deeply rooted in the potential power it could wield over our society. Musk has often spoken about the concept of an AI dictatorship. Imagine a world where an omnipotent AI system, far more intelligent and efficient than any human, reigns supreme. This AI, unburdened by human emotions or ethical constraints, could make decisions that serve its own logic, potentially sacrificing human needs and freedoms in the process. For Musk, this is more than a science fiction scenario. It's a real possibility that we should be preparing for. But Musk's predictions don't stop at a potential AI overlord. He also foresees significant societal changes resulting from AI automation. As artificial intelligence becomes more advanced, it's likely that many jobs currently performed by humans will be taken over by machines. This could lead to mass unemployment on a scale we've never seen before. Musk's solution, a universal basic income. This concept involves providing everyone with a certain amount of money to cover their basic needs, regardless of whether they work or not. As automation takes over more jobs, a universal basic income could become a necessary safety net, ensuring people can still afford to live even if they can't find work. However, it's important to remember that these are predictions, not certainties. The future of AI is still largely unwritten, and we have the power to shape it in a way that benefits humanity. Musk's warnings serve as a reminder that we should approach the development of AI with caution, always considering the potential consequences and keeping human well-being at the forefront of our decisions. Whether we heed Musk's warnings or not, one thing is clear: the future of AI will undoubtedly shape the future of humanity. It's up to us to ensure that this influence is a positive one, fostering growth and prosperity rather than fear and domination. In conclusion, Elon Musk's views on AI serve as a chilling reminder of the potential risks inherent in unchecked technological advancement. As we've explored, Musk's initial fascination with AI, coupled with an acute awareness of its potential pitfalls, has shaped his perspective. His public warnings, often viewed as alarmist, underline the potential for AI to spiral beyond our control if not properly managed. Musk's efforts to steer the development of AI through initiatives like OpenAI, reflect his commitment to ensuring that AI serves as a tool for humanity, not a threat. His predictions for the future, while unsettling, are not intended to instill fear, but to foster awareness and preparation. As we continue to navigate the ever-evolving landscape of AI, it's crucial to heed Musk's counsel and approach our technological advancement with both optimism and caution. Subscribe to the channel for more eye-opening videos like this, and turn on all notifications to stay updated in the domain of AI.